Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious mint Oreo milkshake. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 cups of mint chocolate chip ice cream, roughly 8 to 10 Oreo cookies, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/4 teaspoon of mint extract. You might also want a few drops of green food coloring for that vibrant look. Now, let's get blending. Carefully scoop your 2 cups of mint chocolate chip ice cream into the blender. Pour in the 1/2 cup of milk. Add the 1/4 teaspoon of mint extract and a few drops of green food coloring if you're aiming for that classic minty hue. Blend everything together until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. Next, it's time for the star of the show, the Oreos. Take your 8 to 10 Oreo cookies and add them directly into the blender with your creamy ice cream base. Now, here's the trick. Pulse the blender just a few times. We want delightful little cookie chunks, not a completely smooth mixture. This gives your milkshake that perfect texture. Almost there. Carefully pour your freshly made mint Oreo milkshake into your favorite serving glasses. For an extra special touch, top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream, a whole Oreo cookie, or some chocolate shavings. Serve it right away to savor its perfectly cold, creamy, and crunchy goodness. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.